Today I'm going to teach you how to change the price of a product in Woocommerce. This is essential when you need to update pricing for sales, adjust for cost changes, or run promotional campaigns on your online store. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your WooCommerce store, including product pricing. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Here, you need to click on Products. When you click it, an expanded menu will appear with several options related to your store's inventory. From these options, select All Products. This will take you to a comprehensive view of everything you're currently selling in your WooCommerce store. Now you'll find yourself on the Products page, where you can see a complete list of all the items in your store. Browse through this list and click on the specific product whose price you want to modify. This will open up the product editing page where you can make all necessary changes. On the product editing page, scroll down until you locate the product data section. This is a crucial area that contains all the core settings for your product. Start by clicking on the drop-down menu within this section and select Single Product from the options that appear. This ensures you're editing the standard product settings. After selecting Single Product, you'll notice the General tab listed on the left side menu within the Product Data section. Click on this tab as it's specifically where you'll update your pricing information. Here you'll see two important fields, the Regular Price field and the Sale Price field. Simply enter your new price in the Regular Price field. If you're running a promotion or discount, you can also add a lower price in the Sale Price field to show customers they're getting a deal. Once you've entered your new pricing information, scroll back up to the top of the page, look for the Update button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen, and click it. This saves all your changes and immediately updates the product price on your live store. And that's it. You've successfully changed the price of your WooCommerce product. Your customers will now see the updated pricing when they visit your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.